Cars top speed. Subscribe. Yenko SC Silverado 2021 full detail review with sound check. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cars Top Speed. Full detail review. Let's start.
Yenko name was made famous by the Pennsylvania dealership that created special Chevrolet muscle cars in the 1960s, but New Jersey-based Specialty Vehicle Engineering (SVE) has revived the name for use on modern Chevys. The firm's latest is the 2021 Yenko SC Silverado Off-Road, which combines serious power and off-road hardware. The pickup truck builds on the Yenko SC Silverado announced earlier this year. It boasts the same modified 6.2-liter LT1 V8 as that truck, with 800 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That output is achieved with a supercharger, forged internals, pistons and crankshaft, ported heads, and a high-flow stainless steel exhaust system. The engine is coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission, which is upgraded to handle the extra power. Brembo 6-piston front brake calipers and Duralife 16.1-inch vented rotors provide stopping power. As the name suggests, the off-road version is designed for excursions beyond the pavement. It gets a BDS 4.0-inch lift kit, Fox shock absorbers, a heavy-duty rear sway bar, and 20-inch wheels with Nitto Ridge Grappler LT 295/60ths R20 tires. The Silverado also features some minor cosmetic tweaks, including a vented hood and Yenko graphics. Each truck also gets a numbered badge and key fobs, and a manufacturer's certificate of origin. Production is limited to 50 trucks, which will be sold through Chevy dealers. Pricing hasn't been announced, but SVE said the truck comes with a 3-year 36,000-mile warranty. In addition to the Silverado, SVE sells modified Camaros, which are more typically associated with the Yenko name. The company also brought back the GMC Cyclone, using the current GMC Canyon, with a 750 HP V8 in place of the 1991 original's turbocharged V6.
Cars top speed. Subscribe.